In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Trello, offering you a seamless way to boost your team's productivity and enhance communication. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to integrate these two tools. By linking Slack with Trello, you enable yourself and your team to receive Trello updates directly in your Slack channels. This means you can stay informed without constantly switching between platforms. Plus, you can create Trello cards from Slack messages, allowing you to capture ideas and tasks quickly and efficiently. You can even comment on Trello cards without leaving Slack, ensuring your conversations stay within the same context. Overall, connecting these two platforms can significantly improve your team's workflow efficiency and communication. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get Slack and Trello talking to each other. First up, you'll want to add the Trello app to Slack. Begin by opening Slack and navigating to your app section. Once there, search for Trello and then click Add to Slack. This will prompt a pop-up where you'll need to click Authorize to allow Slack to access Trello. This authorization is crucial because it enables the two platforms to communicate and share data seamlessly. Once you've added the Trello app, the next step involves connecting your Trello account to Slack. This is pretty straightforward. In any Slack channel or direct message, type our Trello link. This command will generate a prompt in which you'll see a Link Account button. Click on it and it will guide you through logging into your Trello account. Follow the prompts to grant permissions so Slack can access your Trello boards. By doing this, you're essentially allowing the integration to function smoothly, keeping your team updated with the latest Trello changes right within your Slack workspace. Now, moving on to the final setup, choosing which boards and channels you want to connect. You'll start by typing Trello add in Slack. This command will let you select the specific Trello board you wish to link. After selecting your board, you'll then choose the Slack channel where you want to receive the updates. It's that simple. Preferably, choose a channel where your team mostly collaborates, so everyone stays in the loop. And just like that, your Trello board is successfully connected to Slack. With this integration, you'll streamline your team's workflow and ensure no task slips through the cracks. It's about creating a more cohesive work environment without the constant back and forth between different tools. So, there you have it. Enjoy a more productive and well-connected workplace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.